And how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, we have completed textbook part of lesson number 17. What is the name of the lesson? Moving arrow. Yes? And today, we are going to write all the new words of lesson number 17. Okay? So, what you should do? All of you take out your classwork notebook, take new page and then write lesson number 17, moving arrow. Keep heading new words. Okay, read all the new words. Okay, first one is land. L-A-N-D, land. W-A-T-R, water. A-M-P-H-I-B-I-O-U-S, amphibious. Means those vehicles which can run under the water as well as on the land. Children, you know there are some animals also which live underwater and which live on the land. Example, frog. Likewise, vehicles are also there which can run under the water as well as on the land. Okay, those vehicles are called to be as amphibious vehicles. Okay, children. Next, transportation. T-R-A-N-S P-O-R-T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. Okay. Next, R-O-A-D, road. W-A-Y-S, ways, roadways. R-A-I-L, rail. W-A-Y-S, railways. Roadways and railways, these are the means of transportation. That means we travel from one place to another place by means of roadways and railways. Okay, when you take roadways, there are some vehicles which are used on roadways like buses, cars, bikes, bicycles, tricycles, trucks, lorries and all. Okay, and railways means trains. Trains are also different types. There are some trains which carry goods only. Those trains are called to be as goods train. Yes, there are some trains which carry the people, from one place to another place. Yes or no? Okay. Next, wheel. W-H-E-E-L-S. Wheels. Every vehicle have wheels to run on the land. Yes or no? Each and every vehicle has wheels. The wheels may be of number of 2, 4 or more than 4. Yes or no, children? Can you say what are two-wheelers? Two-wheelers are like bike and bicycle. Can you say what are three-wheelers? Tricycle. Yes? More than four-wheelers? Buses and all. Yes? So, wheels all of you know. Next, four-wheel. Four-wheel. F-O-U-R-4. W-H-E-E-L-E-R. Four-wheeler. Four-wheeler means truck. Can take truck, car, like that. Okay? The vehicles which have four wheels, they are called four-wheeler. Next, transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Okay? Next, vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. That means what? The persons who fly aeroplanes. Sailor. The persons who work in ship. It's called to be a sailor. Okay? Driver. A person who drives car, bus and all. Bus stations. B-U-S bus. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-S. The place where buses rest or stop are called to be as bus station. Yes? Next, goods train. G-O-O-D-S-T-R-A-I-N-S. Goods train. Goods train means a train which carries goods from one place to another. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. T-R-A-C-K, track. Railway track. Railway track means trains need railway track to run on. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, railway station. Trains pick and drop people and goods from railway stations. Okay. Next, emergency. E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y. emergency. Means if people require any help in an emergency, then people will call some particular numbers, like they will be calling for fire brigade or ambulance or anything if they are in need of help. Okay, so emergency means very urgently, if they need any help urgently, that is called to be as emergency. Traffic rules, TRAFFIC, traffic, RULES rules. Traffic rules means all of you know, each and every person have to follow traffic rules. Okay, FIRE, fire, BRIGADE, fire brigade. Next, ambulance, AMBULANCE, ambulance. Understood, children? So all of you now copy down all the new words in your class work notebook very neatly. Okay, you have to do any one activity. Okay, first one, snow house. Do you know where snow house will be there? Snow house means what? The house built with ice. Okay, example, igloo. Igloo are the houses which are built with snow. Okay, in cool areas. Okay, children. See, igloos or ice houses are generally GENERALLY, generally built, BUILT, built of snow and ice in very cold places. Okay, an igloo is a dome shape. Here, see, this is igloo. This is which shape? Dome shape. DOME, dome, SHAPE, dome shaped building, BUILDING. Okay, with blocks of snow placed one on top of the another. Okay, here snow will be placed on top of the another. Understood? This is igloo house. Igloo house is in the shape of dome. Dome shaped building is igloo. Okay, igloo is built of snow. Where these igloos will be there? Igloos will be in cold areas, cold places. Understood? So for this, what you have to need, step by step you have to follow, and you have to do like this. Okay, you will need all-purpose glue, old newspapers, black and white paint, masking tape. Okay, peppermint glue by mixing the entire contents of glue bottle with 1/4 cup of water in a bowl. Set aside. Okay, next, second step, cut the papers into thin strips. Okay, next, third one, take an inflated balloon, INFLATED, inflated balloon, 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 and secure it by using a couple, COUPLE, couple of pieces of tape. Couple of pieces, PIECES, pieces of tape. Okay, by using tape you have to secure it, means the balloon you have to cover with tape. Okay, next, draw outlines for the bottom of the igloo. You have to draw outlines for the bottom of the igloo, and making sure to completely soak the paper, COMPLETELY, completely soak, SOAK, soak the paper. Remove the excess glue and lay the strips over the surface of the balloon. Try to keep to one layer. It helps to dry quickly. Okay, you have to keep like this. One by one strip you have to keep on the balloon. Okay, it helps to dry quickly, QUICKLY, quickly. Also, try to have the pieces crisscross and overlap. You have to crisscross and overlap the balloon. Okay, A doorway to the igloo by using a curved mold, M-O-U-L-D, curved mold, and applying the same method. Okay, next. Seventh one, allow everything, E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, allow everything to dry and leave it. You have to allow everything to dry. Okay, allow everything to dry and leave it overnight to become hard. You have to leave it aside one night. Then it will become hard. Okay, deflate the balloon slowly. Trim off the marker lines to make the entrance. Okay. Paint the igloo white. Let it dry. You have to paint that with white color. And then you have to leave it. It should become dry. Then paint a brick pattern using black paint. You have to paint a brick pattern using black paint. Activity C2. Red, green and yellow. Traffic lights are very important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important in maintaining. M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-I-N-G. Maintaining. Public. P-U-B-L-I-C. Public. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. Public safety. And order. O-R-D-E-R. Order on the road. Yes, traffic lights are very important in maintaining public safety and order on the road. Yes or no? Okay. You will need, for making these traffic lights, what you want. Okay. Red, yellow, green and black construction paper. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. Construction P-A-P-R paper, comma, scissors, S-E-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors, comma, glue sticks, G-L-U-E, glue, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks, glue sticks, comma, marker, M-A-R-K-E-R-S, markers, comma, ice cream stick, A-N-N, I-C-E, C-R-E-A-M, ice cream, S-T-I-C-K, stick, ice cream stick, and a circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, S-H-A-P-E-D, shaped, B-U-T-T-O-N, button, or B-A-B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle, C-A-P, cap, T-O-2, T-R-A-C, trace, C-I-R-C-L-E-S. Okay. So, red, yellow, green and black construction paper, scissors, glue sticks, markers, an ice cream stick and a circle shaped button or bottle cap to trace circles. Okay. Now, you need to, first one, use a circle shaped button or bottle cap to draw circle on the red, green and yellow papers. Okay. What you have to do? Take 3 papers. Okay. What are the color of the papers? You have to take red color paper, green color, yellow color papers. Yes, color papers you are getting in bookshop and all. Yes. You have to take those 3 color papers and keep cap. You have to keep cap and round it. You have to make a circle and cut that circle. Okay. Next, cut out the circles. Cut a rectangle. You have to cut a rectangle, spelling what? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle from the black construction paper. You have black construction paper, isn't it? From the black construction paper, you have to cut like this rectangle. You have to cut like this rectangle. Okay? Paste the rectangle vertically on the ice cream stick. This is ice cream stick. On this ice cream stick, you have to place that rectangle black construction paper. Okay, you have cutted, no? That one you have to paste it. Okay, the red circle on the top, yellow circle in the middle and green circle at the bottom of the black rectangle. Here you have to stick like this. Top you have to stick red color. Next you have to stick yellow color. Next you have to stick green color. Okay? Do you understand? Last bottom you have to stick green color. Understood, children? Now you can also play the traffic lights game outdoors or indoors if enough space is available. ENOUGH, enough. SPACE, space. Enough space is available. AVAILABLE, available. This is how you can play the game. Okay, children. Up till here, you have known how to make second activity of traffic signals. Okay, what you have to do? You have to take black construction paper, red color paper, yellow color, green color paper. And what you have to take? You have to take scissor and cut the circles which you have drawn with cap on the color papers. And then you have to cut the rectangle shape on the black color construction paper. And then you have to stick that black color construction paper on the ice cream stick. And then you have to stick the red color what we have cut the circles now. That first top you have to paste red color, and then you have to paste yellow color. Next you have to paste green color. That's it. This activity has been done. I think very easy. You will immediately prepare. After this class, prepare the traffic signals. It's very important. Okay? Compulsory each and every person have to follow the traffic rules. Okay? Understood? Okay, see. Next one, this is a game. You children can play this game also, traffic signals game. How you can play the game? Just if you have some space available, then you can play this game, children. See here, what you have to do, first point is, one person calls out the instructions, 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 and pretends, PRETENDS, pretends to direct traffic, DIRECT, direct, TRAFFIC, traffic. Yes, in signals when we are going on the roads, see, traffic police will be instructing us. You go left, you go right, yes or no? Like that, one person can become instructor. Those who will give instructions. Okay, and pretends to direct the traffic. The others follow the instructions. Others should follow the instructions. Okay, you have children know, one of you become the traffic police. Understood? And other person should listen to that person. There is a choice of 3 instructions, all relating to the color of traffic lights, red, green or yellow. If red is called, everyone must stand. Okay, if red is called, everyone must stand there. All the children should stand there. Okay, very still and silently. Stop means what? Red color. You should stop. You silently have to stand there. Green is called, everyone moves around quite fast. Okay, green means what? You have to move. Go. So you have to move very fast. If yellow is called, everyone moves around in slow motion. Everyone should move in slow motion. Okay? Understood? Yellow color, what? Slowly you have to go. Yes or no? Okay. Next. Ask students to take turns to direct the traffic and give instructions. Understood, children? All of you understood how to play? Okay? You are in home only. So, you can play with all the children. Okay? Try to play this game. Okay. In your next class, you will be writing the workbook. Okay? So, today your homework is, you have to do any of the activity. Either you can do igloo or you can do traffic lights. Understood? Okay. Thank you. Have a